Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today we have Divya with us, and today we are going to replicate the actual interview, how it happens in Infosys. So after watching the video, you can feel that in the similar way, Infosys is also going to conduct interview for you. So hello Divya,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening. So can you show me your ID card?
Yeah, sure. This is my ID card.
Okay, the text is hidden with your finger. So can you show me properly?
Yeah, this is my ID card.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Okay, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce about myself. I am Divya Kulkarni from Belgaum. I am pursuing final year in BE specialization in electrical and electronics engineering.
Mhm,
I have completed my PUC from Jain College Belgaum. I
mhm,
have completed my schooling from Balika Adarsh Vidyalaya Belgaum,
mhm,
and I have completed a major programming in C++. So
mhm.
my strength is I'm a good communicator.
Okay. So, did you had any project in your final year? So, can you tell me about what was your project?
Final year actually.
Mhm.
We had done mini project in pre-final year. So
Okay.
that was dual axis solar tracker
Mhm.
using Arduino Uno. The
Oh,
project was we are using LDRs, potentiometers, servo motors,
mhm,
and we had done that using Arduino Uno. So the working of that project was it is a dual axis, so it will move in two direction and it will
mhm.
track the sunlight, and we can store the sunlight and we can use as a solar energy, and we can use in our daily life. It is a real time project actually.
Okay. So, how it is going to benefit the people around us?
Okay, we can use it as electricity, or we can use in our at home. We can use as anything. So it is nowadays it's very useful, solar energy. That's why
Yeah.
we done that.
Okay. So, what was your role in that? I mean, as you mentioned, you had a group project. So, what exactly
Yeah,
you had done in that
yeah.
project?
Actually, we had done in a group with the four people. So, firstly, we have connected all the equipments and Arduino. My part was running the program in software. So, after running the program, servo
Mhm.
motor start rotating automatically. And using four LDRs and potentiometer, it control the speed of servo motors. So we can store the solar energy. We can use it.
Okay. So, from where do you belong, and what is a special thing about your place?
Yeah, I'm from Belgaum,
Okay.
and the specialty of my place is kunda. It's a sweet dish, actually. And before some years, some people calling to Belgaum is Kunda Nagari,
Okay.
actually. And weather of the Belgaum is also good, so people love to live here.
Okay. Great. So, what is your favorite programming language?
Yeah, my favorite programming language is C and C++.
Okay. So, you must be knowing about OOPS concept, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, what is encapsulation?
Okay, it is a process to wrapping data and code in one single unit. For example, in a capsule, mixture of many medicines are there. So it's like that only.
Okay. What is copy constructor?
Okay, it is a member function and initialize an object using another object of same class.
Okay. What is dangling pointer?
Okay, dangling pointer is occurs when object is deleted or deallocated from the memory.
Okay. And what are the bit fields?
Okay, bit fields means data structure allows programmer to allocate memory to structure and
Mhm.
union in bits in order to utilize the memory in efficient manner.
So, can you tell me about pointers? So, what is pointer?
Actually, I'm not recollecting now.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Yeah, my hobbies are singing, drawing, rangoli, etc.
Oh, that's great. So, who is your favorite singer?
Okay, there are so many favorite singers are there, but particularly Lata Mangeshkar.
Okay. So fine. So I would like to hear two lines of your favorite singer song.
Okay, sure. अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम, अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So if your passion is singing, then why do you want to
Okay.
join Infosys? Why do you want to join IT company?
Yeah, actually my passion is in singing. I love to sing, but I want to do career in engineering. That's why I applied for Infosys. I'm doing electrical engineering.
Mhm.
So I am focusing on both on my passion also, on my career also, but I don't want to lose my passion.
Great.
So
Okay.
yeah.
So when was Infosys founded?
2nd July 1981.
Okay, great. Okay, so we are done with the interview. That's all from my side. So do you have any question for me?
No.
Okay. Okay. So guys, so we are done with the interview, and now we have done a lot of mistakes which was intentional. So I'll be talking about what all the mistakes Divya has done, and that is what we have to avoid when we are going into actual interview. And the mistake is intentional mistake we have done. Okay. So when I asked her to show her ID card, the first mistake, so she was putting her finger on the ID card. So definitely the interviewer will not be able to see, right? So the text should be clear. So you have to hold it something like that, and then it should be visible to the interviewer, right? So that was the first mistake. Correct, Divya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more mistake she did. When I asked what is pointer, she told I am not able to recollect. So you don't have to tell in interview that I am not able to recollect. If you don't know something, sir, I don't know about pointer. Okay. But basically, any stream student, any graduate student, you should and must know the basics of C and C++. So these pointers and things are very, very important. Okay. So if you don't know anything, you just tell you do not know. Correct, Divya?
Yes, sir.
Then second thing, when we asked the questions from her, like what is encapsulation, what is copy constructor, so whatever she has explained, she has just explained the definition, but the in-depth knowledge cannot be judged from the definition. So I always say we have to have like the clear explanation plus some live example. So that is what we had missed, and that was also intentional, right? Okay, correct, Divya?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you might have also seen the lack of confidence on her face, or maybe like in the beginning when she started, you can again go back and you can watch the video. So the interviewer will always try to relax you in the interview by asking the questions like, tell me about yourself, tell me about your project. Even though we know very well these questions like tell me about yourself and tell me about your project is a very common question which every interviewer knows and every candidate knows that will be asked from us. So we as an interviewer we generally ask so that the person gets bit relaxed, and then we can continue with the entire session. Okay, correct, Divya? Okay. And then if you'll see in the whole interview, if you'll see her hand movement, so she is always doing like this. Okay. So that shows you have lack of confidence. So that is a perfect example of lack of confidence in the whole interview session. She was, like trying to bind her hand, and this shows she has lack of confidence and little nervousness. So definitely, this was her first interview. So things were planned, and definitely she will also learn from here, and you guys will be also able to learn from here. But there are good things about her in the interview is, so in the complete interview there was a smile on her face. Now also you can see, so that will add a positive impact for the interviewer, right? And that is how your interview will be saved in that way. So that is a very good and positive point. And even her communication skill is also good, so that will be also a positive point here. So the negative point and the positive point both we have discussed, and I know for sure, so you will be also taking this into consideration, and you will be implementing during the interview. So thank you all. Thank you, Divya, for this wonderful session, wonderful video.
Yes, sir.
And we will be also uploading, in the description, you can find her singing channel link. So you can, just click on that, and then you can see like her channel. And if you like, then definitely subscribe. So the link of her channel will be also mentioned in the description.